everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unfriend someone on 8-ball pool. To unfriend someone on 8-ball pool, first of all open your 8-ball pool application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the friends button or the 3 human button at the bottom left, and then you will come across your friends tab. Inside the Friends tab, you will be able to find your friends list. Scroll through your friend list to locate the person you want to unfriend, and then go to the top right section of the person's profile and you will see a little faded cross icon. Tap on it and in the pop-up, click on Yes to remove the person from your friend list. After you tap on Yes, you will then be able to remove the friend or unfriend the person on 8-ball pool. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.